If you've ever wanted to start meditating and you don't know where to start, this video is for you. So in this video, we'll explore what meditation is, why we meditate, and how it works. And we'll also have a mini practice at the end. So why should you start meditating? Well, meditation has lots of benefits that include reducing anxiety, improving sleep, and lowering our stress hormone, our cortisol in the body. It also trains our emotional regulation, so it helps us to respond better to challenges without reacting. It's how we bring a more sense of calm, clarity in our minds, and how we quieten down that busy mind. So if you think the stronger that muscle, the less reactive you will be. The weaker that muscle in the mind, the more susceptible you'll be to breaking out, reacting. So it's helping us to manage our emotions, feelings, and reactions. And it's also training us to handle them with more ease, handle life's challenges with more ease, because external things are going to happen, things will happen to us. We always have a choice in how we look at things, how we manage situations. We can't negate how awful some things are, but we can always choose how we respond. And I guess I'll share something personal, but I used to be the person always thinking about where you're going next, what's on the to-do list. And this is a normal state of mind, a normal human condition, because we're so busy. We're so busy juggling these hustle lifestyles, trying to keep on top of everything while maintaining our own needs. But now I can be present in each activity without thinking about the next one, or thinking about tomorrow, or thinking about the past. So what is meditation? Meditation is the simple practice of focusing your attention. So it's not about clearing your mind or forcing thoughts to go away. It's about noticing your thoughts and gently bringing your attention back to something steady, like your breath, your body, sounds, or an object. Over time, when we practice, we will naturally feel more calm, more present, and more in control of our reactions. The goal isn't perfection, it's all about the practice that strengthens those neural pathways. It's like a muscle. Like we go to the gym to train our biceps to be stronger, to lift heavier. We're training the mind to be more present, be more in the moment without judgment. And the best thing about it is you don't need any special tools, any special beliefs, just you and your breath and that willingness to just sit and pause. And I promise you, it might not be easy at first, but please just go with it. When you start meditating, things are going to arise to the surface, things that you've not processed before, emotions, trauma. But I promise you that if you keep on practicing, you will start to reach a state where you'll enjoy sitting and being in that space of calm that we're usually not in, juggling day-to-day life. So how do you start meditating? Well, if you're new to meditation, start small, even 3 minutes per day. So then you'll build up a routine of practice. So consistency is better than how long you practice. If you're consistent, space out 3 minutes every morning, as soon as you wake up or after your coffee, it doesn't matter. You can sit and meditate anywhere, literally. The goal is practice. So start off with that 3 minutes, and then as soon as you've built a routine, increase it to 5 minutes if you want to. The choice is yours. But any practice is better than none, and that's when you'll start to see results. You'll reap the benefits, and I promise you, you won't regret it. So when your mind wanders, simply notice it and bring it back. Like when a curious child wanders and you're bringing it back to safety. It's the same. So you're bringing your child back, the child in the mind, every time. Back to the breath or the body, whatever your focus is. So let's try it for a short moment. So sitting somewhere nice and relaxed, upright, palms on your lap, facing upwards. Start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and then sigh it out. And as you sigh it out, let your eyes soften, maybe closing your eyes, and feel the weight of your body against the floor. Perhaps your feet on the floor, your hips on the floor or a chair. Feel that weight pressing down into the ground that supports you. And pay attention to your breath, to breathing in through your nostrils and breathing out of your nostrils. Just notice, without trying to change anything, we're simply observing, without judgment, being curious, without criticizing or comparing. So this is exactly what we're training when we sit and we meditate. Training our awareness without constantly having an opinion. You're just watching, just seeing things for what they are. Allowing things to happen naturally and observing what's going on. And now move that spotlight of attention down towards your chest, your stomach. Notice the rise and the fall of the abdomen on the inhale and exhale. And if your mind has wandered, bring it back to the breath, that rise and fall. And on the next in-breath, as you exhale, let go of your attention and open up your eyes. Nice work. You've just meditated. If you're interested in more guided breathwork and meditation, check out my other videos and please subscribe to my channel, Breathe with Dee.